Welcome everyone. Today we are going to see how fresh banana juice is made from fruit to the final bottle.
The process begins when ripe bananas arrive at the factory from farms. The bananas are sorted carefully. Only high-quality fruit is selected for juice production. Next, the bananas are washed thoroughly to remove dirt and dust. Machines remove the peels, leaving only the soft fruit inside.
The banana fruit is crushed into smooth pulp, creating the base for the juice.
The pulp is mixed with purified water and other ingredients to create a smooth drink. Samples are tested to make sure the quality, flavor, and safety meet standards. The juice is pasteurized using controlled heat to keep it safe and fresh longer.
After heating, the juice is cooled quickly before bottling. Now the banana juice is filled into clean bottles at high speed.
Each bottle is sealed tightly to keep the juice protected.
Labels are added with brand names and production details.
The finished bottles are packed into boxes and prepared for shipping.
From ripe bananas to refreshing bottles, this is how banana juice is made.